Again, you all are aware that the Nigerian National Assembly, so much money is being voted for everything that happens there. And but sadly, when it rains, everywhere becomes leaky. Remember how many billions that was voted for the rehabilitation? Question is, was that rehabilitation refurbishment, was it done? If it was done, I then ask, why do we have something like this happening in the National Assembly? So you can see everyone is mopping. If Mazi asks question now, all these people you see here, I wouldn't be surprised if they turn into unknown cleaners. If this thing turns even into unknown National Assembly, I wouldn't be surprised, because this can be denied. But you're looking at them tomorrow, somebody will come like Farouk Lawan and look you bare-faced and tell you, no. There is nothing here. You think you're listening to Komiko Ali, the Iraqi general, when the U.S. General Ali, when the U.S. bombarded Baghdad in the 2000s, the Gulf War, the second Gulf War. And bombs were dropping everywhere. Komika Ali, General Ali, will stand there and say, no, we are dealing with the enemy. The enemy has not entered Baghdad. We are... Sometimes when I remember that, it reminds me of someone also that we have here.